Hi there, I'm Miles Peterson, and you're watching 3D Engineer. And it's that time again, it's spooky season, Halloween, October 31st. And for today, I thought it would be a good idea to sound off my spooky sounding sirens. Including my Super Sirex, this is 710 port, my Model 5T, this is 912 port, and my Model 2T, which is 45 port. Now you're probably wondering why these specific sirens. Well, recently I had just done a poll on YouTube to have my viewers vote on which of my mini sirens sounded the scariest, and these three happen to be way up there, so yeah. And I agree, these things do sound scary. So today we're going to be sounding them off in harmony. We're going to get some really cool pitches, a really cool dual tone sound on all of these. And so without further wait, let's do just that. Alright, I've got everything hooked up here. Here's my crazy adapter situation, although this time it's not as bad compared to my other sound-off videos. But yeah, that big adapter there is for the Super Sirex, and those two USBs are plugged into my desk, and those go to my other 5-volt sirens, my Model 5T and 2T. Just for a little bit of an overview, Model 5T, this is 8th scale, 912 port, very spooky sounding siren. I love this thing. It's my Model 2T, very loud for its size. This is 4th scale, so quarter scale. It is about twice as big as that thing if it were proportionate. Here's my Super Sirex. This is 710 port, dual tone, rotational. There's the rotator. This thing sounds terrifying, and we'll hear that in just a minute, but yeah. This thing by far won the poll I had posted on YouTube earlier, asking you guys which siren of mine sounded the scariest. That thing, it's loud, 1/8 scale verified. Yeah, it's gonna sound awesome here with these two. Oh yeah, before we get to that over there, here's my SD10. I'm revamping it right now. Just quick spoiler so y'all know what I'm doing right now. Here's a resin printed SD10 rotor. It looks beautiful on camera, but it's not that good. It cracked. But yeah, that was one of my first resin printed rotors. So I hope to incorporate that to basically all my mini sirens in the future, because I just got a resin printer. But yeah, I'll reprint this. I just gotta fix a part of my printer, and then that'll get going. But yeah, this is by far the coolest SD10, and I honestly would have had this in my sound off video, but it's just not done yet. It's out of commission. There's no core in there at all. I've just got some of the bare minimum parts here, so yeah, there's the rest of the parts. I've got to get a new rotor and a motor. So expect to see a video for this guy in just a couple more days. Alright, now we can make some noise. All I have to do is just turn it on here. I won't be able to turn it on at exactly the same time because everything's being powered by a separate power supply, but I'll try my best to get them to turn on at roughly the same time, so I hope you can understand that. Alright, here we go. Happy Halloween, y'all! Oh my gosh, that sounded terrifying. Okay, I will be completely honest, I had no idea what that was going to sound like, and that was so much better than I ever anticipated. Happy Halloween! Well, there you have it. That was my Halloween sound-off with my Super Sirex, Model 5T, and Model 2T, which are right back there. That sounded so much better than I ever thought they would. My gosh, that sounded terrifying. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And again, here's my SD10 right here. You can expect to see a video of that in just a couple more days. I have to order parts, motors and stuff, and stuff to fix my resin printer. So I hope you can understand that that'll just take some time. But yeah, my SD10 will hopefully be in my next big sound off. I'm Miles Peterson, and you stay creative.